So you want to know how to pass a prop firm challenge. Let me give you some tips that can ensure you'll do that right now. Hey traders, Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 570. Today I'm going to give you some tips and information to help you pass a prop firm challenge. So first of all, what is a prop firm? Well, there are companies out there that will give you money to trade on their behalf for a profit share once you've proven to them that you can trade properly within their low drawdown criteria. Now, understand the word low drawdown criteria because after all, it's their money, it is not yours. And you have to meet their rules in order to pass a challenge. Now, first of all, I suggest that you forget prop firms and you go back to basics and you make sure that you are first of all profitable on a demo account and then a live account of your own. Doesn't really matter how big that live account is of your own, but make sure that you are consistently profitable on that first with low drawdowns. The reason I say that is that when you get onto the prop firm challenge, the numbers increase. You might have been trading a $5,000 or $10,000 live account of your own, and all of a sudden now you're on $100,000 with a prop firm. Now, sure, you start on a demo account, but the numbers can be quite scary to start with, and it can be quite off-putting. So what you have to do is make sure that you trade your own personal live account in the same way and same conditions that you would the prop firm when you go onto that. Otherwise, you're just wasting your money and throwing it away and don't even bother start on the prop firm. So treat this real, treat it like a business. It is, serious stuff here. So you open up your prop firm challenge and they give you 100,000 demo, okay? They will probably have a rule such as like a maximum 5% drawdown. Why? Well, it's their money, not yours. Today, we're starting off and we're on a demo. I get that it's not real money, but when you go on to real money, you need to trade it the same way. So let's say they have a 5% drawdown there. That means your account starting at 100 cannot go below 95,000. Otherwise, they close the account on the demo. And of course, the same would be on the real. So what are you going to do to ensure that you have low drawdowns? Well, the most obvious thing is to have low risk per trade. I personally trade at 1/8 to 1/4 of 1% risk on trades on a prop firm. Why? Well, it means I can have, if things go terrible, I can have multiple trades all getting stopped out at once or in a row, which by the way doesn't happen, but it could do, and I still keep within the drawdown criteria. Now, that also means that my gains are likely to be quite small, but that's fine. There is no rush to pass a prop firm challenge. Take your time and do it properly. Now, you have to ensure that, of course, that you have high reward to risk trades so that when you are profitable, you have multiple, you have trades that are multiple times your risk, so you can speed up that process. But let's assume you pass your 100,000 demo, okay, and you meet the 10% gain within the 5% criteria. You go onto a live account. Don't do anything different. Treat it exactly the same, okay? Don't get scared that now it's real money because you know you can do it. You have that same low risk per trade approach, high reward to risk, and therefore there should be no reason why you cannot pass that prop firm challenge. And let's say you make your 10%, which is $10,000. You're on an 80-20 profit share agreement with the prop firm company. All of a sudden, that's $8,000 to you. That's not bad. It's taken you a bit of time to get there, but now you've made it. However, there's absolutely nothing to say you can't open multiple accounts or with different prop firms and having a rolling cyclical process going here, and that's what a lot of our own clients do. They're opening up a new prop firm challenge every week, every couple of weeks, and they've got multiple prop firms going, some on new demos, some almost passing the demos, some on to live, some passing live, and they've gone from 100 to 250,000, So there's nothing to say that you can't open multiple prop firms here. So don't just think of it as, oh my goodness, that's a lot of work for just one payout of $8,000. No, you don't have to do that. You can have multiple rolling prop firms going. That's your decision to decide what's best for you. But the beauty is that once you know how to trade within those low drawdown criteria and you're not rushing it, there is an incredible opportunity to do very well from trading via a prop firm. But it all comes back to the basics again. You have to know how to trade. First, you have to keep your risk low and controlled, and that's where we can help to educate you. If you'd like to find out how we do this and how we can help you, jump on my masterclass or book a call with us so we can have a discussion to see if we're the right fit for each other. If you're out there looking for a high quality broker, I can highly recommend Blueberry Markets. Jump onto their MT5 platform where they offer an enormous array of different Forex markets, but also indices, cryptos, metals, commodities as well. And you'll find that most prop firms will offer those non-Forex markets as well. So practice on the Blueberry demo, get onto a live Blueberry account, do well at that, keep your live account going, but then at that stage, if prop firms are for you, that's the time and not before. Anything you need help with, please let me know. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Email me, Andrew at the Forex Trading Coach, with any questions that you have, or leave a comment and I'll answer them personally for you. I'll see you this time next week. Enjoy your prop firms. Bye for now.